Agugbaola Yankee. Agugbaola Yankee. Our biggest project now. The whole East in Agugbaola, West, everywhere in highest project. Highest. How the matter do now? No be small thing. Matter no easy. Na for Cubana no be small thing.
Yes, everywhere clear.
Pure.
The world is yours. David, let it.
This is the biggest project. All this time. Oh, you just got it.
I wasn't in my phone. Okay, big. How's that? Hello. 7 stars. 7.
Agugbaola. The Kwakaze, Akazoba, Agugbaola, Confirm.
One more. No, one more. Oh yeah.
Agugbaola.
So you introduce yourself and then tell us your expectations from this project. What you're expecting to see in this project in the next like 6 months or years. Is it okay? Like, looking at the lens. This camera. The face this side. Just. Action.
Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen, or better still, good day. My name is Royal Highness Igbo Agugbaola. I'm still here in Igbo 1, United Arab Emirates, Dubai to be precise. I'm CEO Attitude Unique Gold Class Collections. We're into customize and resell gold, some other stuff we do in luxury industry. We are here today in Ghana, the biggest project in Delta State. Let me say in the eastern part of Nigeria, which is Delta and East. It's the biggest project so far. For now, my expectation is as is the lead of United Arab Emirates. I know in some few months there will be Dubai City here. The way I'm speaking, there will be a Dubai collections here. Like when you talk about seeing a Dubai mall, seeing a Dubai internet city, seeing a Dubai Burj Khalifa, Yala Habibi. Within some months, I believe there will be Dubai here. That means UAE and Ali Mashkul Kabil project, being very mighty project happening here in Cubana city, and not only that, every powerful indigenous of Nigeria, Africa that lives outside the country, this is the best place to invest your money, and this is the best place to put your project, because this is safe and this is safer. Dealing with this mighty project, trust me, you have nothing to regret. because Delta State government, their hands and their leg is in this project to make sure that it's safe in everyone that is investing in this project. God bless you and see you and your brother, Royal Majesty Agugbaola. My investment is here too. I'm putting my money to buy 1 or 10 properties here because I know within some few time there will be a great success, and that's our prayer.
Thank you so much.
Bless you all.
Bring your phone touch.
Welcome to Chipsa in Suma Chukwamaka. It's Agugbaola Transport, the celebrity command, celebrity transport limited, and the chairman CEO, the great Olaedo. Enviable, we appreciate your presence. Thank you, Ron. Thank you so much. Please, we have a Zoni Chaka in our midst. The great Vvip every time. In a Tijuana. Very soon, we're going to have a DJ, Destiny, and very soon the section man. Olaedo will be on stage.
Don't forget that the permanent secretary protocol, my helper is in the house. Yes, my helper.
Again, the great commander
Teshala, and finally specialized in the house from Government House.
Yeah.